This is a cheap portable vocal booth, and believe it or not, at $1,500, this thing is a steal. But that's not what we're talking about today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vocal booth for $0. And as you can see, it's gotten me paid professional gigs. Let's go ahead and hop in. So behind this mystery curtain is my vocal booth. And you know what? For 1 second, pause this video, pop on down in the comments, and let me know what you think is behind this curtain. Second, before I go ahead and pull this guy down and unveil it, let's talk about what the point of a vocal booth is. You see, sound works a lot like a bouncy ball. Those sound waves bounce off of different hard surfaces until they eventually run out of energy and die off. This is that awkward and pretty terrible reverb and room tone that you hear in a lot of recordings. You don't want this. You see, a vocal booth acts as a nice dry environment. Instead of your sound waves bouncing around, they're picked up and absorbed by absorptive material so that they can't be picked up by your microphone. Alright, so with that out of the way, it's time for me to unveil my current vocal booth. Yeah, it's that closet, that one right there. So let me show you how to set up your closet for professional sound. First things first, you're going to want to leave your clothes in the closet. Just go ahead and make a space where you can comfortably set up a chair or sit on the floor if you want. Your clothes will act as an absorptive material and actually make it so that it deadens the space. You're going to want to grab some couch cushions for this. Go ahead and place those couch cushions in the corners and above your head if you can. And yes, I know this may sound dumb, but let me go ahead and explain. Sounds have a different range of frequencies, and those frequencies have different amounts of power behind them, with higher treble frequencies having less power than their bass frequency counterparts. Have you ever been sitting in a car and your car starts to shake with the bass from a neighboring car? Even if you can't hear what the actual song is, your car still begins to shake because of the power in the bass. In order to kill these bass frequencies and prevent them from reverberating around your space, you need a denser material to absorb those actual frequencies, which are where these couch cushions come in. And that is literally all that you have to do. You see, there's a prevailing thought that you've got to spend thousands of dollars in order to get a nice treated room so that you can make professional recordings, but it's just simply not true. With my professional recording booth, I've been able to get paid gigs and start my voice acting career. And with you punching that like button, other voice actors are also going to be able to do the same exact thing and be able to start their career. So if you like this video, go ahead and boop that like button down below for me. Subscribe if you'd like to follow me along on my voice acting journey. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.